Hi, I'm Errol Baptiste, freelance independent investigative journalist, reporting that Ealing Council exposed by using legal processes for improper motive on housing disrepair case since November 2021 abused it resident. Advice resolution. Further, the client concern had, which are previously mentioned, of almost 4 years ago on the housing disrepair been reported to Ealing Council in November 2021 as follow. The issue of the brickwork had already been addressed on December the 1st, 2021 when Ealing Council enlisted the joint visit to the resident home from Niblock contractors. From that visit of December the 1st, 2021 to the resident home, which Ealing Council were aware of a report on visual inspection at which the representative from Advice Resolution was in attendance with its client, it was very evident of the failure of the brickwork pointing. Ealing Council totally ignored the internal of the dwelling bungalow. Demise is mostly deteriorating, also including further damage to the fixtures and fitting to the brickwork vent in the living room and worsening damp and mold both in the living room and bedroom since November 2021. Ealing Council been exposed on the housing disrepair case linked to the surveyor visit from Knapp, Hick and Partners totally ignored the brickwork issue since November 2021 in their own admissions to cover up the complaint and abusing it resident almost 4 years ago. Ealing Council used legal processes for improper motive as retaliation, cover up the complaint, also abused the claimant to silence him as an attempt to commit murder by keeping him as a hostage in the damp property, behaving like mafia gangsters, using corruption, fraud and racketeering such as Al Capone of the 1930s, also accepting kickbacks by offering bribes or soliciting bribes. Conclusion. Ealing Council shall be given no excuse by delaying the ratification of such repairs to the brickwork pointing to the property. A bunch of dirty racists breached the Equality Act 2010 on Section 149. The Council therefore cannot use the recent survey on August 28, 2025 by making excuses and lying in court on the housing disrepair since November 2021, using trickery and being deceitful, as the corporate cannot be trusted with its professional reputation being damaged as a result.